Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is find the product of the polynomials, and we have to find the product of 2y square minus 2y minus 5 and 0.1y square plus 2y plus 0.3. Now firstly multiply the second bracket into 2y square. So 2y square into 0.1y square will be 0.2y to the power 4. Then 2 into 2 is 4y cube plus 0.3 into 2 means 0.6, that y square as it is. Now multiply by 2y minus 2y. So minus 2y into 0.1y square will be 0.2y cube minus 2 into 2 4 and y into y square minus 2 into 0.3 means 0.6y. Then multiply by minus 5. So minus 5 into 0.1y square will be 0.5y square minus 5 into 2 is 10y minus 0.3 into 5 is 1.5. So firstly take the coefficient of highest power of y, that is y to the power 4. Here only 0.2 y to the power 4 is there. Now check for the coefficient of y to the power 3. So here we can observe 4 minus 0.2 is there only for y cube. Then check for y square. So here it is 0.6 minus 4 minus 0.5 into y square minus, check for the coefficient of y now. So if we take a minus sign outside of the bracket, so there will be 0.6 plus 10 y and constant term is minus 1.5. So here 0.2 y to the power 4 plus 4 minus 0.2 means 3.8 y cube plus 0.6 minus 4 minus 0.5 will be minus 3.9 y square minus 0.6 plus 10 means 10.6 y minus this constant term 1.5 as it is. So our answer is 0.2y to the power 4 plus 3.8 y cube minus 3.9 y square minus 10.6 y minus 1.5.